Hi friends, today we'll talk about motivation. We'll understand motivation. Before going further, I would like to tell you that it's very important to motivate somebody. So before that, you should understand the person. Unless until you will not understand the person, you will not be able to motivate it. So there are three A's which we generally use to motivate, or you can say rather, people get motivated by these three A's. What are these three A's? First is acknowledgement. Acknowledgement is when you acknowledge a person is the first step. The first, like, I understand you, okay, tell me something about it, or the first thing where you give your attention to the person and the person also feels, okay, this person is interested in me, he is acknowledging me. So there is the first connect to the person, where you first of all connect to the person, you acknowledge the person. Even in empathy video also, I'll share a link of that video also, the first step was acknowledgement. Without that connect, you can't start any conversation or any sort of emotional bonding, you can say. Other than that, is second one is acceptance. Acceptance means you are accepting the person. You are not judgmental, you are not giving your advice, or you are it's very easy to ask people to change, but you can't change a person. It is his behavior, it is his sanskar basically. So there are very uh, डीप संस्कार होते हैं, जैसे कि सैक्रामेंट्स हम लोग बोलते हैं संस्कार को. सो वेरी डीप होते हैं, जैसे कंपैशन है, दया. सो फॉर somebody it is like, why he is so compassionate, you will not be able to understand. Or some people are very trustworthy, they trust people easily, but some people will say, why he's trusting all the people. So these are very uh, deep feelings, or deep sacraments of that person, which is difficult for you to understand. So rather than understanding, you first of all accept it. Okay, this is his behavior, this is his sacrament, and we should understand that. That is very important. Until unless you not accept the person genuinely, you will not be able to go further on it, because that thing will always click you here and there. And the third one is appreciation. So as we all know, if we appreciate somebody, people get motivated, and it's a very important thing to understand others and motivating them. And appreciation is a vast thing. It's there are some small things like strokes. There's the word strokes. Strokes means you give a little push to that person, or you little appreciation. Okay, well done. You are looking very happy today, or you did very well last month, or I saw your that working. You were fabulous in that. These are the small things, but it strokes. It gives a push to that person. Or in general, in class or in teacher in schools, they do applauding. Even in other ways also we applaud to motivate a person, to appreciate a person, or even giving compliments. And one thing important is that when you compliment, you don't compliment any object. Your shirt is nice, or your shoes are good. Rather than that, you say you are looking very handsome, you are looking very happy, you are very energetic today. So these are the things which are related to that person. That should be the appreciation. So and one more thing in appreciation, which research has also shown, that when you appreciate a person surprisingly. Uh, as an example, the person is not aware of it, he is not even thinking of it, he is not knowing of it that he has done something well, or he's not feeling so much important or something of that thing, but you appreciate him on that ground. I'll understand, I'll give you an example on that. As suppose you do something in your you good in your set of people, and that one person describe your good thing to some other person in the other group, and the other person when meets that person and say that I heard that you did so, so he'll feel very appreciated or very motivated, because he's not expecting it. When something come out of unexpectation, it's a surprise, and it motivates the other person to some other level. So these are the things like 3 A's, as I told you: acknowledgement, acceptance, and appreciation. One more thing I would like to tell you, that what will happen if the person will be motivated. What are the changes to that person you can see when you do all these 3 A's: acknowledgement, acceptance, and appreciation. So you will find that the person will feel important. He'll feel very important. That he'll feel in day-to-day working wherever, because you appreciated. So he's motivated. So he'll feel important. Confidence. His confidence level will go up. He'll feel confident in day-to-day working. Maybe the work which we was not doing so confidently, he will start working on those fields also, and he'll feel happy about it. He'll feel rewarded as he has got some prize or some bonus. He'll feel like that. Other than that, sense of improvement will come. He'll feel that I should improve in day-to-day life, and his thinking will be positive, and at the same time he'll feel more responsible, because as we say na, that more power gives more responsibility. So more responsibility give more power. So in that way, when you are motivated, you feel more powerful, and then you feel more responsible, and he'll feel a lot of self esteem. Self esteem is basically his self respect will increase. He'll feel a lot more respected, and as I told you, importance and respect. So all these things will happen to the change will happen to that person, and out of that, the when all these things will happen, the the uh, the output of that person will increase drastically. Why? Because whenever you do something, these are all the things which lag you behind, and these are all the things which make you push. So it's very important you motivate others, and you self motivate you also. Self motivation will take some other time, but over here, when you have a team, or you have a family, you have kids or anybody, you motivate others by 3 things: acknowledging, accepting others, and by appreciation. Never lose a chance of appreciation. As I told you, strokes makes a lot of difference. Give strokes, and you will feel the changes, you will see the changes in that person. As I told you, will feel important, respect, more confident, more respect, and his output will increase. Thanks for today. Anything if you want to ask, please give me comment.